Hey, I'm Gabe. Thanks so much for stopping by Manly Bands to check out some of our great products. Today we're going to be looking at another one, the Lightning. Carbon fiber. 20% off of our sister site, Rosie Rave. Do we get all that? No? Son of a bitch. All right, I'll slow it down for you. Inside of our box, the Lightning, probably called that also because of our shipping, which is extremely fast. If you associate Lightning with being fast, I don't know that you do, but if you're smart, probably. Inside, welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. It's fantastic. Inside we've got some of our customer support information, QR codes for our big nerds out there that still use those, and some wonderful pictographs illustrating our social media and what you should do there. Look at it, post some of your own, and then, I don't know, go take a nap, because that's what I do after I look at too much social media. Inside, we have the Lightning, one of our more unique rings. This is carbon fiber. You can see the pattern on this is just awesome. It's got a silver coating on it. It's really, really, really lightweight, so it's got a great, great feel to it. Some people say that lightning never strikes in the same place twice. To that, I say horse. Because you can buy this ring as many times as you like. Once, twice, 3, 4, make the call. Inside, we've also got this black silicone band that comes with your purchase. So if you're trying to compare which ring is lighter, you can use that for comparison. And we've also got some promotional materials inside, one of which being 20% off of our sister site, Rosie Rave, for you ladies that are looking for lightweight and or just in general badass bands. Check that out, and other promotional materials as they become available. So, looking for some light carbon fiber, beautiful silver coating, check out the Lightning on manlybands.com.